Good evening, my people. Good evening. How are they? Good evening, my people. It's your girl Nneka. Good evening. Good evening, my people. I will still use my dialogue to greet my people. Ndukwa na ibe m dị na social media, dị na Facebook, dị na Facebook. Nwanne bụ Nneka Ogbolu ya na akparuka keniso ajeni otofenyo. So nwere achịkwa ni asụsụ nwere ike nyeshi ndukwa na ibe m dị na Facebook. Asụ ndukwa na ibe m dị na Facebook because jani line kunu mara sisi wonu no eshi dasun ni line. So kun keneshi no otefenyo ajeni. So good evening, my people. How na day? So this topic when I bring come out today is about Plan B. Plan B. What happened for Nigeria airport today? So many people for Nigeria now don't they make their Plan B because they don't even know where Nigeria they go now. They don't know the position where Nigeria they go now. But this Plan B is everybody. Everybody now get the money to do this Plan B. Now be the question what we go ask. Now everybody now get the money to work more for the country. Now be the question what we go see talk about. I go show now how Nigeria airport be today. Many people they pack their baggages, they run. Now everybody get the money to run more for the country. So my people, now we want to talk about today. Because what they happen for the country now, it too dey bad. It dey very, very bad. Many people not going to even know where they go again. So I beg, if anybody deadline, wanna come, when we talk about this Plan B. Yeah, you see today's video when I see airport, see people carry bag that they go. Now everybody get that money to do this Plan B. Not everybody. I want show now the video now. Make una see the Plan B where people come they make now because they don't they fear. They don't know where Nigeria they go again now. See the video. Okay, so this is it. For international airport today. You see Look at the departure hall. The departure hall now be this one. The last time I saw departure, so yes. Now they see now they see Nigeria airport today. Today 1st of June. Now they say as Nigeria airport full. So now be what we want to talk about. So many of them don't they prepare, they run come up for the country because the country now can't they too hot. Very hot. Nowhere they safe for Nigeria. Nowhere is safe at all. The question I want to take about is it everybody that have this money to do this Plan B? Not everybody. There are a lot of people they will barely feed a day. How can that person say you won't go to plan for Plan B? Now where you get money, you go plan for Plan B. Where you get money, now you go plan say this country be like this, make I run. But see everywhere now. See people for the pasture horse, that's everywhere full. Because they are afraid of their life. To travel by road for Nigeria, na problem. Say you won't use more travel with a bus or you get your own car. You won't travel from Lagos to Benin. It become problem. You go the fear until you reach where you dey go. Your mind, you go carry your chest, carry your mind, carry your forehead. Say God, because of waiting, kidnappers. Because of waiting, bad things. Where they happen for Nigeria. Today, now what happen for airport today now? Now me I dey show you so. Now I show now for this video, make una see. Make I show now again. Those of una wey never see am, make I show now. Now be this one. Plan B.
This is it.
Now the yeah.
People have activated their plan B. Running away from Nigeria. Look at the departure hall.
You see?
I don't remember the last time I saw departure so full. Yes. See how departure is so full. Look at everybody. Just look at that. Look at that. Can you imagine? This is a plan D activated. Ha. I'm going to go and pack my load. I don't even know where I'm going to be going to. If it's Cotonou, I won't know Cotonou by Baragawa. But I would have said let me go back to Cotonou, but those are not going to school. So maybe Cotonou, I should go there, I should go to Cotonou. I should go to Naya Tattoo, Lip Tattoo, Jagawa, Uganda, at least. I should go there, and I will say boots. I got in a boots.
My people, so now see the video. Now I say make I come out, may we talk about this thing. Because this thing where they happen for Nigeria, it don't too much. It is very bad. Very, very bad. Not everybody have that money to do the plan B. Not everybody even get money to even feed for Nigeria. People there for Nigeria where they suffer. They cannot do this one. Now when you get money, now you go plan safe plan B, make I run come up for the country. But if you not get the money, you cannot run. What are they doing? The politicians? What are they doing? The government? What are they doing? Nothing. Nothing. Okay, there is one picture when I see one man come from Germany. If they go back from they come from Hamburg from Germany. Go na east be east person na Igbo man he go east. If they go back, make he go back to Germany for checking point for there. That soldiers, Nigerian soldier kill this person. So do you expect another person? Do you expect people wey dey outside country fear go let them come? Nigerian soldiers shoot am for head, just shoot am die. What is really going on in Nigeria? We don't know. We cannot say. Everyday killing, soldiers are killing our people. Nigerian government are killing our people. We don't even know where to head to say nobody know. Fear, even people where they my people, this one, Nemos. This one, we don't know what we go even talk about for this one at all. Nigeria government is not doing anything. They only sit down there in their comfortable zone, just sit down there, be talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. They cannot do anything. Soldiers are killing people every day. Okay, this man now when he come Nigeria now, he come Nigeria, he not the sick. He come Nigeria, so okay, let me come and visit my mother's land. If they go back now, nice soldier kill him. Kill this man for nothing sake. For checking point there. This kind of person now tomorrow maybe children they where a day for that side, or maybe children they Nigeria. Will they be happy with Nigeria soldiers or Nigeria police? They will not be happy. They will not be happy. This thing way they happen for Nigeria, it don't dare too much. It don't dare too much. People they need to they don't dare too much. Everybody is now fighting for their right. Everybody is now fighting for their right. Okay, see yesterday, Nana, person wait come out. So we want like this. They shoot them. Huh? Just see every people are running away from Nigeria. Is it everybody that have that money to go away from Nigeria? Some people they will be say to eat safe, na problem. To even buy come up pure water safe, na problem. Will they have this plan B to do? They cannot have it. So Nigeria don't get as anybody that will tell you Nigeria is safe. My people, Mona not believe them. Mona not believe the cha. Nigeria is not safe. It is not safe at all. If you want to travel to Nigeria now, my brother, sit down first. Sit down for where you did first, because you feel they go for road now, you don't know where strange bullet for they come. You go there inside, you feel there inside your house, says okay, you don't dey safe, you dey inside house. You don't know whether bullet they come from it, whether bullet they come from outside, they try to come meet you for inside house. If you are traveling to Nigeria, sit down in your country, sit down for where you did first. Because Nigeria is not safe. Nigeria is not safe. Nigeria is now war zone. They should not deceive themselves. Because what did they happen for Nigeria now? It don't pass war. It don't pass war. They say now that war not they start one day now. Now gradually now war till they start. Small. Now war till they start. Now we there for Nigeria now. Just look east. Look the way that they are fighting and killing themselves there now. Look the way Nigerian soldier is killing people there. Just take a look at east. Even not now, then the outside way they inside self now. Then the self now don't come out now. They won't start to they talk for themselves. Only the Fulanis way they will be saying now they occupy everything, all the whole position for Nigeria. Now they don't want hear the good things. Say, okay, let them share Nigeria. They don't want it because they know if they share Nigeria, they will lose. They will lose a lot of things. What do they have? Cows. They will lose a lot of things. Now they don't get oil, but now that they enjoy the money, they will lose a lot of things. That is why they don't want them to share Nigeria. That is why they don't want to even hear that word. Say, make they divide Nigeria. It's only Africa now. I say if some everything is by violence. It's only Africa. Now I see that kind of thing. Say everything is by violence. In short, if they not kill everybody for that country, they will not go rest. The government not go rest. When I go their position, they keep people for that position. See yesterday, Nana, they say sit at home. Everybody observe it. I see one video where somebody sit at home, he come up for house. I don't know where they go. The way they take fire out with BT, I didn't support that one. I don't support that one. The BT was too much. This is not fair at all. This is not fair. This is not fair at all. Everybody is now speaking. Nigeria is getting out of hand. Nigeria need help. Despite the government, they are pretending they need help. It's now time everybody should come out and speak for that and speak. You have to speak because Nigeria. If you not speak, you go there, you go suffer, die. You talk, you die. You not talk, you go still die. It's better you talk. The Nigerian government is not helping matter at all. They are not helping matter. Even the soldiers that are even killing people, those ones not even pay me back because this fight they are fighting, they are not fighting for their self. They are fighting for if Nigeria is better today, it's better for you, it's better for your children. Some of themselves cannot even pay their children's school fees, but the people are fighting for the betterment of Nigeria, but you are there killing them. See, people are now running away from Nigeria. Anybody where they come Nigeria, they tell you say Nigeria is safe. My people, nowhere safe. Nowhere safe for Nigeria. You feel they travel for road, they go, maybe they go your place, you they go this one, they can even kidnap you for there. Bandit can even kidnap you for there. It's not last week, Nigerian government say if they see anybody who go pay ransom to kidnappers, it will go for 15 years imprisonment. And where e be say Nigeria government and they sponsor that thing, bandit go come, e go kidnap all the old students. Nigeria government, instead of them to go and crush those people and fight against that thing they are doing, they're not supporting them, giving them money, negotiating with them, and telling individual that anybody they will see paying ransom to kidnapper, they will put that person in 15 years imprisonment. Where Nigeria government is paying bandits millions of naira. Tomorrow they will pay them today. Tomorrow they will still go and kidnap other students. They will still go and kidnap other students. They will still pay another millions of naira. The thing that you people will fight against, you will not fight against it. The thing that you are not supposed to fight against, that is where you carry your soldier, you go and be fighting the people, innocent people that is fighting for the goodness of the country. You carry your soldier, you go and be killing those people. Bandits, they there. You not carry your soldiers, make they go kill them. You not carry your soldier, make they go kill Boko Haram. But you carry your soldier to east to go and be killing people, innocent children, innocent husbands, innocent fathers of the land. You go and be killing them. Where bandits, they there. Where Boko Haram, they there. You not carry. They cannot go and look for the Boko Haram. Make they carry those soldiers, those weapons, those guns. When they say they shoot those people, they not carry. Make they go fight those people. But they go carry enter inside the people where they fight for their freedom. They fight for the betterment of Nigeria. They will carry that gun. The soldiers, the stupid soldiers there, they will carry that gun there. Go there, they will go, they kill the people. But when they sound and say bandits there, here, now they not go there. Now, so since 2015, Boko Haram, till today, we are still talking about the Boko Haram. Now, another one, bandit. All those ones, they are even doing the worst. Another one, Fulani Esme, they are even doing the worst. You people cannot fight them. You are fighting the innocent people who is fighting for the right of you and their future and your own children's future and your own children's future. You are fighting them, killing them for nothing's sake. Then you expect the people to keep you quiet. Unknown government that is killing body police station, I don't blame them. Me, I don't blame them because it's Nigeria police and Nigeria government need iron hand. I don't blame them. Let them be burning. If now that one I go solve the problem, maybe they burn there they go. Maybe they burn there they go because the Nigerian government go for fight, they not go fight. Now where they're not supposed to fight, now there they go they fight. So maybe they burn there they go. See everywhere fire. Last time now Nigeria need to pray. They need to pray very hard because this year alone, apart from say soldiers are killing people, the way fire till they burn the old things, they need to pray. They should know that Nigeria. God don't leave Nigeria a very long time. God don't leave Nigeria. God don't forsake Nigeria a very long time. Yes, it's not yesterday or day for yesterday. For Lagos State, this market, Oladipo market, burned down. People's shops. Not be person put fire for there. People's shops burned down. Do you know how many people who hold shop, who get shop for that place? How many people will be say maybe some of them say not be their own money. They take they do that business. They take money for somewhere doing that business, returning that money. Everything burned down. Where those people go start? Even last time inside sea, fire they burn. Each market for every for state fire. Maybe they know say God don't leave Nigeria since Nigeria. God don't forsake Nigeria. He don't forsake Nigeria since. They don't know. God don't forsake Nigeria because the rate with fire, even market. The painful part of it is those people that host those goods inside that market. Because many of them is not their money. So now be the only thing where they pay me for inside. If not, it's supposed to that fire is supposed to be for Aso Rock self. Make fire burn there for them. Make it burn them. Make they say they pay. That fire is supposed to go inside that Aso Rock. But those people where they put fire, those are no government. May they go Aso Rock. May they go. In short, may they begin to visit all these politicians then one by one. I want make the hear for boys so that they will know that the pain as they pain, waiting they pain that as they pain the poor people. Now so the thing they go see they make it still pain them. May they begin to visit them one by one. At least they go they visit them one by that Aso Rock. May fire still enter. May they know how they pain. I believe say it's million. They as the million they say that Aso Rock with they design that Aso Rock million. And now some people will get those shops, get everything where they destroy. Now some people use spend money to do all those things. Nigeria is forsake. God has forsake Nigeria already. God don't forsake Nigeria since. Nigeria no get, we don't know where we dey go. We don't know where we dey go. We don't know where we for dey come again for Nigeria. We don't know the place where we dey go. We don't know the place where we dey come from Nigeria. People not go even fit sleep with their eye closed for Nigeria. They go every day you house, they sleep, say, bandits go come now. You go pack all the families, pack their command. They demand money. They demand money. You don't know whether the family get that money. If they not pay, they will kill the person through it. Slaughter people. They sell people pass. I say that they sell spare pass. And they sell spare pass. They will say the engine. And I need the engine. I need this one. That is why they are not doing human pass in Nigeria. Nigeria government to sit down there doing nothing. Nothing that they do. Nothing that they talk about. They just elect them there. They are owner to pack their money, pack the money, put out for their pocket, secure for their children. None of the all this one they happen. So none of their children in Nigeria. All of them they abroad in school. All of them they abroad. They live a better life. When the people who voted them there, she's suffering. You know if you buy something. 2015, where Goodluck Jonathan did position, they say, Goodluck Jonathan is not a good governor, he's a weak governor. Buhari is going to be the messiah where go save Nigeria. Buhari go be this one, Buhari go be that one. Buhari na the man where God call say, na him one day that position. Na him go free Nigeria. Na him go make Nigeria become like America. Na him go make Nigeria become like a paradise. But see today now. See the Buhari now. See the Buhari. The 2015, the Goodluck regime is now far, far better than this time around we have. In Goodluck Jonathan regime, exchange rate was 200 and something naira. In Goodluck Jonathan, exchange rate euro to naira is 200 and something naira. But today, euro to naira, as I'm talking to you now, is almost 600 naira. Is it not almost times 2 of what the money day for 2015? Almost times 2. But they say Goodluck Jonathan regime like this, so make them vote for Buhari. People were celebrating. They won't vote for the man where is supposed to take that position. Buhari regime now be the best regime. Now they use that way Buhari take rule that time. Use that they look now. Where Buhari don't weak, all the brain don't weak. A sick man. Man where they sick. The whole the first turn of Buhari, not be hospital use and go. Before people said Buhari don't die, Buhari don't die, na Jubri they there, na Maxi where this and me, I don't know. Na Maxi where Buhari don't die, Buhari don't die. The whole first regime of Buhari is hospital. Now he's an old man like that. We don't supposed to retire. He don't work for all the youth age. Supposed to retire, make he rest. He's now the president of Nigeria doing nothing. You don't want to resign. You don't want to leave the position. You want to stay there and die there. You want to stay there and die for that position. Now Africa now say to resign for position. It did difficult. It did very difficult. Even if the people they die there, they'll say me they die there, but they will not leave that position. For this country, when I did so, I know how many times where they go do, if they do riot like this, the prime minister where they, the people not like her, they go kick his ass, come out, go resign, come out for that place. Another person go come. If that person still stay, he not see work for them, they go see kick his ass, come out for that place. But for Africa, no. They want to do or die in that position. They prefer to die in that position than to leave that position. They just prefer to from that position, make they carry them go their grave, fine, go their grave. But to leave that position peacefully, if people don't want you, live there. You live there. You step down. But this one now, they don't, Africa, lie, you will not, instead of that, they will allow the people to fight and kill themselves. They will order the soldiers to kill the people. If all of them won't die, make them die, they don't care. They not concern them. make dem die throway. E no concern dem at all. But for Europe here or Western country, if they see say the position is not hot, everything is the fight is not hot, the next thing you see they will resign. Let the people the person where the people want, make the person come rule. They no go do and say this position, I mean get this position, make it die put for the position. But Nigeria, no. Africa, in short, Africa say, oh no. Now Africa, now you go see governor go this the new method where they learn now. Governor go this back seat, who dey front seat go open door for the who dey back seat. Who dey back seat go come open door for who dey the other car. Who dey the other car go come open door for the other car. Who dey na no dey do new for that una state o as a governor wey una be o, na no go do new thing wey be say if you comot for position dem say this governor na im make this state be like this governor na im repair this road like this governor na im do this thing like this. It's just where una go dey waste the money, na una go dey. Una go dey waste the money, dey waste time up and down, na una dey. Nigeria own is too much. It's too much. Nigeria is getting out of hand. So my people, now here I won't drop this video. Now here I go drop this video, I beg. Make una share this video. And make una not forget to follow me for my YouTube channel too, Nneka TV. I beg. See you. Bye.